Well, thanks for visiting us here at KTALnews.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Morses, and this is your Tuesday forecast update. Of course, today we are going to have a heavy focus on the potential winter weather coming in Friday as well as Saturday. It's looking more and more likely that we could see some impactful winter weather here in the Arklatex. Two systems on the way. The first of those will bring some rain tonight and tomorrow. It won't be until the weekend that we get to see that winter weather threat here, so we'll touch on both of those systems here. Cold morning, though, once again. We are in the 20s and 30s here, and kind of similar to what we experienced yesterday. We'll just be partly cloudy with highs likely in the 50s and low 60s. So whatever you wore yesterday to keep comfortable, same kind of dress attire for you today. Just keep comfortable, especially with the chilly temperatures this morning. And you can see the clouds are starting to pick up, so it will be partly cloudy today. There will be some rain that develops here in South Texas, and that will move towards us tonight as well as tomorrow. So let's talk about the rainfall first. Your Robinson Futurecast just showing those partly cloudy conditions today. It won't be until after midnight that we begin to see some of these rain showers pop up. And your temperatures tomorrow likely in the 40s in the morning, so it will be a cold rain for us. And given the cool temperatures, not likely to see any severe weather, but with temperatures warming maybe to about 60 degrees tomorrow afternoon south of I-20. You can see this little band of thunderstorms that may develop Wednesday evening, but again, not likely to see any severe weather here. And the rain will taper off Thursday, but you can see just a few leftover showers in the morning, so that's why you'll see at least a slight chance of rain continuing into Thursday when I show you the forecast here. And as far as the rainfall, the totals have come up just a little bit here, but still expecting that most areas will probably pick up between a quarter and half inch of rain with some isolated higher amounts if you do manage to see a thunderstorm tomorrow. And then our attention just kind of turns to the winter weather potential here. It's still looking likely that we will see some winter weather begin Friday, continue all of Friday night and most of the day Saturday, and this will be a combination of freezing rain, sleet, and snow, and we'll have a better handle on that in the next few days here. What we look for early in the week is just that signal telling us that we'll see some winter weather, and then once you get to Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we'll obviously have more specifics here. But this could be some high-impact winter weather for us, so I would be prepared for some very cold temperatures over the weekend. And because of the potential to see some ice here and maybe some sleet, that can obviously cause some issues just as far as the roadways, and not only that, but drag some of the power lines down as well. So it's to the point here where I would recommend just kind of stocking up on the things to keep you comfortable over the weekend. It's possible wherever you are Friday, you may be stuck there until late Sunday or Monday until that frozen precipitation can kind of melt off of the roadways here. But let's give you a look here. It's all still preliminary at this point, but it's the same general setup. This cold air coming down from Canada and this low pressure just kind of cranking that moisture towards us. So again, that wintry mix will likely develop Friday and continue for most of the day Saturday, the way things are looking for us now. And we could see a lot of locations maybe pick up a quarter to a half inch of ice, which is considered pretty high impact for our part of the country here. And again, it's fairly preliminary. We can see those totals go up and down, but Robinson Futurecast, our in-house model here, does show that changeover beginning likely late Friday into Friday night. And you can see Saturday, we'll just go ahead and play through time here on Robinson Futurecast. It keeps that mix. What you're seeing in the pinks and purples here is that sleet, snow, and mainly freezing rain mix here. There will be a snow line to the north of us. Some of these areas north of I-30 could see several inches of snow, and I would say most areas here between maybe a quarter and a half inch of icing as well. So kind of a lot that we're watching, but it looks like that winter weather will kind of wrap up either Saturday night or early Sunday morning. But Sunday's temperatures will likely stay below freezing, so whatever frozen precipitation falls here, it's likely going to stay on the road Sunday and may not melt off until we get to Monday and Tuesday of next week. So a lot we're watching here. We will have some frequent updates for you as we continue through the week, but you can see the temperatures there, overnight lows in the teens and 20s, and may see highs in the 20s and 30s over that weekend.